Of Bella Vista versus Lorraine Bartley and Joseph Bartley. Last four digits are 1265.
Hi, Your Honor. I'm here representing the villages of Bella Vista.
How do you pronounce your last name?
Bevins?
Bevins, okay. And
It's Joseph Bartley.
the Bartleys, Mr. Bartleys are here, okay. Let me swear y'all in.
Yeah.
Do each of you swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Miss Bevins, the rent is 1990, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And y'all want September through today for 2953, is that correct?
Yes, Joseph has actually already paid the fees that are due. This is just the second or third time that we filed eviction against this resident, so we would like to proceed.
So what does he owe you?
At this point, the ledger balance is zero.
Is zero, okay. And the appeal bond would be 3980. Well, he doesn't owe you anything then?
Not at this point. This is just the third time that we've filed eviction against this resident. And he paid, I believe, September rent on the 26th of September, and then also paid his October fees late as well.
Well, he's not behind in the rent then, but you still want possession?
Because this is the third time that we filed for eviction, I believe under our company's policy that we are supposed to proceed with eviction.
Oh, well, what am I basing the eviction on?
The late rent payments.
Well, didn't you get late fees?
Yeah, it is late fees.
Mm-hmm.
You got your late fees, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So where's the contract violation?
What was the contract violation for it? It would be because it's the second
It's
time or the third
It's the
time.
third time.
It's yeah.
Where's that written in your contract?
This is our property manager. She said she would pull it up for us.
That the third time you go for eviction, even if he's paid up.
Typically, it's the second time, from when I spoke to our regional management is what I'm under the impression of, but I guess we're new management and I guess the last management that was here didn't proceed the second time, so this would be the third time that we're filing. My property manager is looking up the policy right now.
Okay, it has to be in the contract, it has to be in the lease.
Yes, ma'am. She's looking in the lease right now.
It's a long lease.
Okay.
I don't think that's in there.
20, yeah.
Besides, the petition says unpaid rent. That's what your
Time that we filed for eviction, he hadn't paid his sums yet. He just recently had paid them. I filed on the 15th last month and he hadn't paid until the 26th of September. So at the time that I had filed, he had not paid yet.
Right, but that's the document that y'all filed giving him notice of why you were taking him to court. You can't just change at the last minute the reason he's being sued. When y'all started the whole lawsuit, you were alleging unpaid rent. And now you're saying there's some other reason that you want to be, he doesn't have any notice of that.
Okay.
And it's not in the TAA lease.
Okay.
You guys can just appeal. I'm going to take a plaintiff take nothing on this one.
Okay.
But thank you for appearing. Do you guys have other cases?
We do. We have another one against Craig Jacobs.
Okay, we'll get to that one in a little while.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Bartley,
Yes, ma'am.
we're gonna enter a plaintiff take nothing judgment in this, and you'll get a copy of that in the mail, in the email, okay?
So am I evicted or do I have to move out? What's the deal?
I am not granting an eviction today. All right?
Okay.
They've got at least 6 days to appeal if they want to appeal. So you might call the court in a week or so and see if the case has been appealed, okay?
Yeah, I mean, I've signed the lease. I apologize for being late. We've just had some business troubles that made that happen.
Mm-hmm,
But I've paid them what they asked for. I paid their late fees as they asked for as soon as I could.
mm-hmm.
And on both cases, I just paid this one Sunday. And
Yeah.
it's only been 2 times. It's only been 2 times. This one and one about 3 months ago.
Well, I appreciate you showing up today, Mr. Bartley. You have a good day, and thank you for appearing.
Thanks.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.